Welcome back to the Spice of Life. Today we're diving into a classic dish loved across Pakistan, India, and beyond. We're making Aloo Baingan, a delicious and comforting eggplant and potato curry. This simple, flavorful recipe, and I can't wait to share it with you. First, heat up half a cup of oil in a pan. Once it's hot, toss in 2 chopped medium onions. Stir them occasionally to ensure they cook evenly and develop a sweet caramelized flavor. This step enhances the overall richness of our curry, making it more flavorful. Next, add 3 to 4 chopped garlic cloves to the pan. Garlic not only adds a wonderful aroma but also enhances the depth of flavor in our curry. Stir well with the onions until the garlic is fragrant. Now, add 4 to 5 chopped green chilies to the pan. Green chilies add a nice kick to the dish. You can adjust the quantity based on your spice preference. Remember, the seeds carry most of the heat, so remove them if you want a milder curry. Next, add 3 medium potatoes, diced to the pan. Potatoes are the heart of this dish, adding a satisfying texture. Make sure to cut them into even pieces so they cook uniformly. This will help them absorb the flavors of the spices and onions perfectly. Cover the pan and cook for 5 to 8 minutes on a low flame. This allows the potatoes to soften and soak up the flavors. Keep the flame low to avoid burning. Now add 2 chopped tomatoes to the pan. Tomatoes bring a tangy richness to the curry. Cook them until they soften and release their juices, blending with the other ingredients. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of red chili powder into the pan. Season with some salt to taste for seasoning and balance. Use 1/4 tablespoon of black pepper powder. Include 1/2 tablespoon of zeera powder. Pour in 1/2 glass of water. Adding water helps create the perfect consistency for our curry. Make sure to stir well, combining all the ingredients. Let it simmer for a few minutes so the flavors meld together beautifully. If you prefer a thicker curry, you can reduce the water or cook it longer until it reaches the desired consistency. Remember to check and adjust the seasoning at this point. Once it's simmering, cover the pan again and let it cook on low heat until everything is well incorporated. Mix in 500 grams of baingan, chopped into cubes. Baingan, also known as eggplant, is the star of this dish. It absorbs the spices and flavors wonderfully, giving the curry a rich taste. Ensure the pieces are evenly sized so they cook uniformly. Stir everything together gently, allowing the baingan to soak up the flavors. Let it cook on low heat, covered, until the baingan is tender and the curry has thickened. Top with freshly chopped green chilies for an extra burst of flavor. Finish with some freshly ground zeera on top. Zeera, or cumin, adds a warm, earthy flavor that enhances the overall taste of the curry. It's a perfect finishing touch for this traditional, flavorful, and aromatic dish. Thanks for joining me on the Spice of Life for this Aloo Baingan recipe. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Share your Aloo Baingan experiences in the comments. Have a wonderful day.